Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to learn chapter number 5, that is more on logo. In last week we have completed chapter number 4, both teaching and writing of chapter number 4. I have given you the notes of chapter number 4. I hope that you have completed those notes in your notebook. Okay, so now let's proceed with our next chapter, that is chapter number 5, more on logo. First thing, why the name of a chapter is more on logo. The name of a chapter is more on logo because last year itself you learned MS logo. MS logo प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ना आपने पिछले साल ही थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में सीखा हुआ है और आप लोगों ने इसके प्रैक्टिकल भी किए हैं. आप लोगों को जो था MS लोगो ये आपको सर ने सिखाया है. दिस ईयर वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न मोर थिंग्स about that chapter or about that point, that is MS logo. Okay, so let's proceed. In this chapter, we are going to learn the following points, that is recap of primitives, some more primitives and looping. Okay, so recap of primitives. First thing, what is mean by recap of primitives? Recap of primitives means कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं, जो आपने लास्ट ईयर प्रिमेटिव सीखे ना एमएस लोगों के अंदर, उन्हें हम जस्ट रिवाइज करने वाले हैं. उन्हीं को हम क्या कहते हैं, रिकैप. उसी को क्या कहते हैं, रिकैप. द मीनिंग ऑफ रिवीजन इज रिकैप एंड द मीनिंग ऑफ रिकैप इज अ रिवीजन. दोनों का मीनिंग एक ही है. ओके, सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. Let's proceed with recap of primitives. Okay, so let's go further. So following primitives are there which we are going to again revise practically itself. First one is a forward, that is FD. Second one is a back, that is BK. Then right for RT, left stands for LT. Set H is used to rotate the turtle from its original position into clockwise direction. ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से उल्टा घुमाना, इसे क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में, उसी के लिए सेट एच यूज होता है. Then next one is a home, for coming at the home screen, at the home that the turtle should come at the home position, that why we is home. Then CT stands for clear screen. Clean is used to erase all the graphical drawings on the graphical window. Clear screen is used for clearing screen. Then time is used to display the current day, date and time, that is on a monitor. By command is used to exit from the window. Then sum, difference, product, question and reminder are used for mathematical operation, like sum is used for addition, difference for subtraction, product for multiplication, question for to divide one number by another, and reminder is used to divide the first number by the second and find the remainder. I hope you have got all these primitives. So let's see them practically. Okay, so first primitive over here is forward. Okay, first primitive is a forward. So now we want to move turtle forward, so I am using here command. This one is the Windows logo screen. Okay, here we can type our command. This one is the commander window, and this one is the window screen where graphics gets plotted. Okay, so here I am using my first command, that is FD. So I use FD means I want to move my turtle forward. So FD, I want to move forward by 10 steps. Okay, and enter. So here you can see my turtle is being moved. Now I want to move my turtle back. I want to move my turtle back. So I am using BK and I am using 15 and enter. So you can see that my turtle is moved back by 15 steps. Now I want to move my turtle right by 40 steps. Okay, so you can see my turtle is moved right by 40 steps. Next one is LT. I want to move my turtle at left by 90 steps. So my turtle is being moved left by 90 steps. Now I want to rotate the turtle from its original position into clockwise direction. So how I can rotate the turtle from its original position to a clockwise direction? Just use the command set h, and here just use set h, and here use command, and your turtle will get rotated. Okay, now next one is home command, for used to bring the turtle into his home position. So here home, and enter. So you can see that the turtle is being moved to its original position. Now next one is city. I want to clear the text, so enter. You can see that the text is clear. Next one is I want to clean. I want to erase all the graphics drawing. यहाँ पे अभी आपको line दिख रही है ना, this one is a graphical drawing. I want to erase it. Just see here, clean, and it's clear. Now I want to clear the screen, but how can clear screen? First I have to draw something over it. So I am using FD command and here 100 and enter. So now I want to clear the screen. I am using CS command and the screen is cleared. Okay. Now I want a time. I want a time. The time which is over here, I want that time. Okay. So time command and enter. So here you can see. So here you can see Tuesday, August 11, 2020. It is 22, means it's 10, 2 minutes up and 13 seconds, and it's 11/20/20. Okay, so date is being displayed over here. Now next one is I want to take the sum. I want to take. So next command is sum. Next command is sum. How to use the sum command? Just use sum, and here I want to add 5. With 5 just give space and here space and say enter. So here you will see that the 10 is displayed. Okay. In the same way, if you want the difference means if you want to do subtraction, just use difference 10 minus 2. Okay, the answer will be 8. So here you can see that 8 is displayed. Okay, in the same way, I want the command over here. I want to multiply two numbers. I want to multiply two numbers. So product 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. Display. So here 8 is being displayed. Now, next one is quotient. Quotient. Now, I want the quotient 10 divided. So here enter, and here you can see 5 divided by 10 is 2, means 5 2s are 10. Okay, so when you will do division, you will get 2 in the form of quotient. And next one is remainder. I want the remainder, so just here remainder. Now 10 divided by 11, remainder should be 1. Okay, so here remainder is not displayed, so let's see remainder 5 2 and enter. So here you can see we got the remainder 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 5, the quotient is 2. The quotient is 2 and the remainder is the remainder is 2. Okay, so here we got the remainder 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this one is the remainder. Okay, so in this way we can use all these primitives, and you have already used these primitives last year when you have learned a practical. Okay, so I hope you have understood it again in detail. If possible, in the way I am doing, you do in the same way and try to do the practical. And to exit from the screen, we were using by command. So here this one is a by command. When you will type by in the commander window and press enter, the screen will be exited. Your screen will be closed. Okay, so in this way you can see all these, you can use all these primitives in your MS logo, and I hope that you understood all these primitives in a better way practically. Okay, so thank you, and do practice it at home if possible on your system if you are having. Okay, bye.